welcome to Tollymore Forest, where today I'm going to tell you all about the new Biolite Alpenglow camp lights. You'll have to excuse me, I'm in underneath a tree. The camera's mounted upside down on a gorilla pod on a tree branch. I'm going to take a quick shot of this. That's where the camera's mounted. There's Naomi trying to keep out of shot. Right, so taking a really quick look at these camping lights that Biolite have sent me. These are really cool. There's a big one and there's a small one, but these are the most fun camping lights I've ever used, and also in some ways the most useful. They're not the lightest, they're not the smallest, but I really like these lights. I'll just quickly walk you through how it works. It's a light, it makes it brighter, it has a little, it's got dripped on, do you see that? Yes, it's a light. Let's switch it on. It does colours. I press and hold this and it goes through all these different colours. I click a few times and I can change into this psychedelic mode. But not only that, I give a shake. I give a shake. And now it cycles through the colours. How cool is that? I go through and I can put it to just a normal camp lantern mode. I press and hold and I can change the brightness. There it is. Minimum brightness, and then we'll bring it all the way up to maximum brightness. Like, this is a bright light. You can see it's the middle of the day, it's not nighttime here. You can see the background is quite bright. I'm just standing on the trees, but look how much light comes off this. So this is night and you're hanging this up on a tree. It's a really good space light. But give it a shake and one side switches off, so now you can use it like a little lantern pointing in front of you.
I can see in the dark what is coming up ahead.
So if you need to go for a walk, you can like take it with you and hold it like this, so you're not wasting electricity on both sides. Oh, switch back on again, give it a shake. One side, give it a shake, it's back on again. It also has a warm light option, look at that. So if you're somewhere where you're not allowed a campfire, just put it onto this mode and it's nice, warm and toasty like a campfire. And again, you can dim it down. You can brighten it up. Like, it is properly bright, and it's a really nice quality of light as well. So you can actually use this as a video light.
Let me tell you a story about the night I went into the forest.
It's waterproof. You charge it via micro USB in here, but it also doubles as a power bank. So there's a USB port in here. So if your battery's low on your phone, plug in the cable, you can plug it in, you can charge up your phone. The battery life on this is really good. I can't remember what it is, but it will last for these following times at different brightnesses. Cool elevator music and statistics coming on the screen. As I said, there's two versions. There's this big version, and then there's this smaller version. Now, if I'm honest, I'm highly unlikely to bring this bigger version with me when I'm camping. For most of the camping that I do tends to be quite lightweight. And the bigger one's great, but I'm really going to keep it for camping trips where I'm bringing the car, or if I've just got people around at the house and we're sitting outside, I might have this on just to add a little bit of atmosphere. For me, the smaller one is more interesting for camping, the sort of camping I do, because it is so small and tiny, and you do get most of the same features of the bigger one. I think the only one you don't get, you don't get the dual color the same way. It does this kind of split instead, but arguably you don't actually need that when you're camping. And there we go, disco mode. So,
can you tell Stephen has never been
there
to
we
disco?
go. Yeah, so I recently did an overnight fast pack in the mountains, and I brought this light with me. It was really nice just to have a nice space light like this instead of just like a head torch that you're trying to see with. This was tiny. I was able to just hang it up on a branch near my little campsite, and it was really good. Lasted for hours, and I really liked it. And to be honest, there's not much more to say about these lights. They're not the cheapest, but like most of the Biolite products, I just really like how it's been designed. It's well considered, works really well, and has some really nice features that make it not just practical but also fun. You ready? I've just looked over and realised that I'm much closer to the main path than I thought, and there are people who can definitely see me here. That's the Biolite Alpenglow camp lights. Nice little lights. Here for your consideration. Links below if you want to find out more and are considering making a purchase. Thanks for watching. I think a lot of that may have been out of focus. Hopefully not. If you stack them together, it's just basically an entire party in your hand. I'm having so much fun. In the rain. What do you think of my new raincoat? Do you like it? Look, and they won't even fall.